Welcome to our detailed review of HSBC personal loans in the United Kingdom. HSBC is a well-known high street bank that offers a range of financial products and services, including personal loans. In this video, we will discuss the features, pros, cons, and other important details about HSBC personal loans to help you decide if this option is right for you. HSBC offers personal loans to both account holders and non-customers. You can apply to borrow between £1,000 and £25,000, and if you have an HSBC Premier account, you can borrow up to £50,000. The features of the loan are largely the same whether you are an existing customer or not, but there are differences in the application process and approval times. The process of applying for an HSBC personal loan can vary depending on whether you are an existing customer. If you have an HSBC current account, the application process is quite fast, and you could get a decision in a matter of minutes. Once approved, the money can be deposited into your account almost immediately. For non-customers, the process can take longer. It might take up to 5 working days to get a decision, and if approved, you could wait an additional 3 working days to receive the funds. HSBC offers loans ranging from £1 to £25,000 for standard customers and up to £50,000 for Premier account holders. The loan terms range from 1 to 8 years, allowing flexibility in repayment plans. For loans under £15,000, you can choose a repayment term of 1 to 5 years, while loans over £15,000 can have terms up to 8 years. The representative annual percentage rate, or APR, for HSBC personal loans is 6.6%. This rate is typical of many personal loans on the market, but it is essential to understand that the actual rate you receive can vary based on your credit score, income, and other financial factors. One of the pros of HSBC personal loans is the ability to change your repayment date after making your first monthly repayment. This can be beneficial if your financial situation changes and you need to adjust your payment schedule. However, it is important to note that HSBC charges up to 2 months interest if you decide to pay off your loan in full early. While there are no penalty fees for making overpayments, paying off your loan early does incur these interest charges. HSBC offers the option to apply for a joint loan, which can be advantageous if you want to borrow with a friend or family member. Taking out a joint loan can improve your chances of approval if the other applicant has a higher income or better credit score. However, both applicants are equally responsible for repaying the loan, and missed payments will affect both credit scores. To be eligible for an HSBC personal loan, you must meet certain criteria. You need to be a UK resident aged over 18 and have an annual income of at least £10,000 before tax, which can include income from a pension. Additionally, you must have a UK bank or building society account with a direct debit facility. HSBC will assess your income, expenses, employment status, and credit history to determine your ability to repay the loan. HSBC offers multiple channels for customer support, including phone, branch visits, live chat through the app or online banking, and social media. This makes it convenient to get assistance with your loan or other banking needs. HSBC's overall customer rating on Trustpilot is 1.5 stars based on over 8,300 reviews. It is important to note that this rating reflects HSBC's services as a whole, not just its personal loans. According to Fairer Finance, HSBC has a customer experience rating of 63% for its personal loans, placing it in the top half of lenders assessed. HSBC personal loans come with features typical of many other personal loans. Repayments are made via direct debit from your chosen account, with fixed monthly payments. The first repayment is due 1 month after you receive the loan. You can request to change your repayment date twice in a 12-month period, providing some flexibility in managing your finances. HSBC allows overpayments without penalty fees, which can help you pay off your loan quicker and reduce the total amount of interest paid. However, always check your loan agreement for any limits on the amount you can overpay. If you decide to repay your loan early, HSBC will charge 28 days worth of interest from the day after you request to repay, plus an additional month. Even with these interest charges, paying off your loan early can save you money on interest in the long run. Subject to checks and affordability assessments, you may be able to borrow more from HSBC on top of your existing loan. This will involve a new credit check and could result in a combined loan with a single monthly payment. Alternatively, you can keep the additional borrowing as a separate loan, maintaining the terms of your original agreement but managing 2 monthly repayments. HSBC personal loans offer a range of features and benefits, particularly for existing customers who can enjoy faster application processing and instant access to funds. The ability to apply for a joint loan and the flexibility to change repayment dates are additional advantages. However, the process can be slower for non-customers and early repayment incurs interest charges. When considering an HSBC personal loan, it is essential to weigh these factors against your financial needs and circumstances. Always read the fine print and understand the terms and conditions before applying. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.